Hello traders and investors. I am R. Harish, SEBI Registered Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 76399 Hello traders and investors. Welcome to our post-market opportunity radar for Wednesday. Today, all the three indices closed on red, especially because of the expiry day pressure. Bank Nifty closed 0.81%, which is the least performing index today. Market mode is hovering between the red and orange zone. India VIX is flat, so there is no panic. Today's negativeness is contributed to all the four indices which expired today. Top gainers: Maruti today stood as a top gainer based on the strong Q4 momentum of the result, and there is a volume spike in the following sectors. There looks to be a sector rotation. Yesterday itself we have seen that pharma sector is gaining momentum. Today auto is also joining the wagon. Top losers being bank, FMCG. Eicher Motor fell nearly 5% on profit booking because it has already gave a rally of 10 to 15% in this market volatility. Maybe due to expiry, there may be a profit booking. We have to wait and watch what is happening in the counter. Sector wise, auto and pharma stood out. Maruti, Gland and Ipca Laboratories were strongly moving in the up direction because of the earnings momentum. In housing finance also, Can Fin Home is getting a broad buying interest. In sector losses, we have Bank Nifty, KPIT and FMCG HUL. As per options data, even now after the expiry, Nifty is very range bound. The resistance and support is only hovering around 24,000 region. So we have to see whether the market will give a rally or not in coming days only. Overall, long build-up happened in Maruti, Gland, Ipca Lab and Can Fin Home. Short build-up happened in KPIT, Eicher Motor and JFCV India. Short covering happened in KEC and Taril. Mostly we have to focus on short covering because there is something, either profit booking or a panic happening in these counters. Unusual volume came in these sectors. Positive change happened in KEC, Can Fin Home, Vijaya and CGCL. There is a negative movement ZFCV India, Eicher Motor and KPI Tech. Ipca Lab showed a very good profit after tax growth of 188% year on year, which has beat the market estimates. So we can keep it for watch list in tomorrow. For tomorrow's watch list, based on the unusual volume, momentum and the fundamental result based news, we arrived at 4 top stocks for tomorrow's watch list: Maruti, Grand Pharma, KEC and Can Fin Home, which is showing both price momentum as well as fundamental momentum. Tomorrow's key level for Nifty is 24,100 and 23,700. For Bank Nifty, it is 58,800 and 56,500. For Sensex, it is 77,000 and 76,100. The key takeaway for today: even the market mode remained bullish, driven by the expiry day. VIX is very flat, so this is structural selling only. There seems a sector rotation. Auto and pharma is outperforming and beating the earnings. IT, banking and FMCG underperformed. We have to watch for continuation of this outperformance. So top conviction picks for tomorrow. This is just a watch list. not a stock recommendation. Gland, KEC and Canfin Home. Tomorrow's Nifty exact support zone and resistance zone is at 23,675 to 750 and resistance at 24,025 to 75 area. Max OI is at 23,950. Hope this market coverage will help you in identifying tomorrow's index direction, index support and resistance, as well as stocks for tomorrow's watch list. Follow us for more actionable content in our YouTube channel and social media handles. Hope this video is very useful for your trading and investing journey. For more details on our premium services, kindly contact us at 763993695 and follow us on our social media handles and YouTube channel for valuable content on trading and investing regularly. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.